Hi, Mr. Novak here, and following on from Mr. Farragut's fantastic video on how to enter a circle, I'd like to just show you how one can identify some key points. So the key strokes that you need to use are menu 3331 for the circle equation, menu 881, as I'll show you, to identify points, and menu 18 to get the coordinates. So let's do a quick uh, example. That's menu 3331. Remember, it's always the quickest way to go about it. I'll use the 2 tab, 1 tab, and we have that. Press enter, and whilst I'm still got that, I'll move it out of the way so that we can easily identify the key points. Now, the first point I'm going to now need to do is menu. Remember, it was 811. And the first point I'm going to identify is the center. Now, looking at the equation, can you tell me what the coordinates of the point of the center of the circle? I'll pause for a tick. Did you say? Let's find out. So moving across, there you can see the point is identified as a key point. Press tab or enter, and the point has been identified. Some key other points was to go to the circle. As you can see, the cursor comes up. Something very interesting happens when you get to some really key points. First one being one of the 4 points of the compass, which is how far the east. And notice the coordinates disappear. So key, that must be the point that we're interested in. As you can see, it has identified the intersection point. We'll come back to later. We now have the next one, south. As you can see, the coordinates disappear. We'll go past, there's the intersection point, another intersection point, coordinates, and it disappears again. And finally, we'll go straight to the one at the north. We've identified the 4 points. Now, these 4 points are very important for defining the domain, which is the x values that make up the circle, and the range, which is the y values. So to do that, we just simply go menu 81, no, sorry, menu 18, and we can now get those points. Let's just check. Was that 2-1? And sure enough, it was. Let's do that again, and I'll put that over across here so we can look for a pattern. Oops, no, it doesn't. So there's the center. Now let's go to this one here. Click on that, press enter, and there we have it. 6-1. Well, I'll move that across, put it under here, and the other side of that is this one here. What can you tell? As you can see, all 3 points were on the same y value, 1, while here, which was 2, and the radius of, remember the radius is 4, or if it was given to you as 16, the square of 16 is 4. The 2 plus 4 is 6, 1, and to take away 4 is -2, 1. You can see the domain is from x greater than or equal to -2 and less than or equal to 6. And we can do the same for the other 2 points. And as you can see, I'll place that there, go across there, place that there. And we have, again, another pattern. This time the x value stays the same. They're on the vertical line. And the y value changes by 4. Left, either add 4 or subtract 4. That is the radius. So that's how we can easily identify key points. And the last one, of course, is identifying those intersection points. So remember, what was it? That was menu 811. Let's identify 2 of those points. We'll just do these 2 here. As you can see, enter, tab, enter. We could get those 2 as well. I'll just do that quickly there. and we can identify those key points. Once again, it's menu 1.8. We have 1 point there. You click on it and then move it where you want the coordinates to sit. I repeat, you go to the point, click on it, and move across to where you want the coordinates. And that's how you go and identify the key points on a circle. Remember, menu 331 for the equation, menu 881 for the identifying the points, and then the coordinates of those points is menu 1.8. I trust that helps you, and of course don't forget to add these notes into your summary book so that you can continue practicing your skills. Have a good day.